What's the meaning of chancer? Chancer. Chancer.
Chancer. Chancer. The word chancer typically refers to someone who takes risks and engages in behaviors that are considered risky. It can also refer to someone who is opportunistic and willing to take advantage of situations as they arise. This term is often used in a negative context to describe someone who is seen as unreliable or untrustworthy. In summary, a chancer tends to be someone who pushes their luck and relies too heavily on chance rather than careful planning and hard work.